Ngokwesitatimende samaphoyisa, abasolwa abamanga ngesikhathi amaphoyisa ebacela ukuthi baye eceleni komgwaqo njengoba bebehamba ngemoto esolisayo ukuthi yibo abafunelwa icala lokuthumba nokukhwabanisa imali eGreenwood Park eThekwini. Ngokwamaphoyisa batholwe nezibhamu.
Police were doing their own operations when we got intelligence that the suspects we are looking for are somewhere in Marianne Hill. And we went to Marianne Hill, yes, their vehicle. We found it on Milky Way Road. We tried to stop them. They sped off. Police gave chase. And during that operation was a shootout, which led to the three of them being fatally wounded.
Kodwa-ke elinye ilungu lomndeni liyakuphika ukuthi bebephethe izibhamu. Leli lungu lomndeni lithi abasolwa abazibandakanye nobugebengu.
Ingane lezi ezincane benza ubugebengu la bayafunda labantu oyedwa uyasebenza.
Okhulumela amaphoyisa esifundazweni iKwaZulu-Natal uthi abasolwa bebefunelwa amacala okuthumba nokukhwabanisa kanti batholwe nezibhamu ezimbili ababezifuna.
We are not giving out details as yet. It's safe to say that that case of kidnapping and fraud was in the Greenwood Park area. And also we're looking for firearms that we knew they had. We found those firearms.
Unechiyunda uthi umndeni uma ukholwa ukuthi abasolwa abanacala abanikele ophikweni lwe-IPD ngoba bona bakholwa ukuthi amaphoyisa enze umsebenzi wawo.
If the family believe that police were wrong, they've got legal recourse that they can follow. They can go to IPD. IPD will investigate.
Isisulu ebesithunjiwe sitholakele.
Yes, the person was found, rescued. That's why we knew who we were looking for.
Lezi bhamu zizothathwa ziyohlolwa ukuze kutholakala ukuthi azibandakanyeki yini kobunye ubugebengu.